In this video, we will learn how to recover your Monopoly Go account. Welcome back to another simple tutorial, everyone. If you want to recover your Monopoly Go account, you will be able to do that if your account was connected to Facebook or Apple. If you've played as a guest on Monopoly Go, then you will not be able to recover your account. So if your account was connected to either Facebook or Apple, then you can follow my steps. We will tap on the menu button, and after that, we'll go over to the app settings. Once you open the settings, you will see a little button called Customer Service. That is going to open a new page in Monopoly Go where we can continue with recovering our account. We will see a lot of articles on this page, and the article on which we want to click on is this: How can I contact customer support? Once you open that article, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, because we have to click on this blue Chat with Us option. That is going to open a chat with an agent where we want to send a message and explain what the issue is. We want to tell the agent that we want to recover our Monopoly Go account, and you want to talk with them back and forth and follow their instructions. Once you follow the instructions, provide your email address or other stuff that they may ask you to provide. You should recover your Monopoly Go account and enjoy the game once again. If you have any suggestions or questions about this video, then make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.